Hi there. Welcome to my channel. Are you always in a rush but still want to look put together? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to share with you my 5-minute makeup routine for a natural and fresh look. First things first, make sure to start with a clean and moisturized face. This gives a good base for any makeup products we'll be using. Next, we'll go in with a light coverage foundation or tinted moisturizer. This helps even out any redness or discoloration without feeling too heavy. Moving on to the eyes, we want to keep it simple. Swipe on a neutral eyeshadow shade all over the lid, and then curl your lashes and apply mascara. This opens up the eyes and makes them look more awake. For the cheeks, use a cream blush to give a natural-looking flush. Dab on the apples of your cheeks and blend it out with your fingers. This gives a healthy glow and adds a pop of color to the face. Finally, finish off with a tinted lip balm or lipstick in a shade that's close to your natural lip color. This gives a subtle boost of color and keeps your lips moisturized. And there you have it. A simple and quick makeup routine that'll make you look like you woke up like this. Remember, less is more when it comes to a natural and fresh look. You don't want to look like you're wearing too much makeup. So, I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new today. And if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this one. See you in the next one.